Hi guys, good evening. So again we are in this video and today we are going to discuss about the topic that is components of food. So we already know about the food, what do we get from and how it is prepared. Mostly the food is prepared by the plant by a process called photosynthesis. So what are the nutrients? What are nutrients? Okay. So the food that we are eating contains some components. The food that we get from plants and animals. Plants and animals contain some components. Some components that which are needed by our body. Our body is called nutrients. It's called nutrients. So the food whatever we are getting must contain some components, and that components are called nutrients. Okay, so what are the major type of nutrients? Major nutrients that is present in our food, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, also fats also called as lipids. Fats also known as lipids. Then vitamins and different type of vitamins are there: vitamin A, B, C, D, okay, E, K. Vitamin B is a complex of some vitamins like B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9. Okay, then and some dietary fibers also. Dietary fibers are there, which is also needed, and water. Okay, water is also needed because our body made up of 90% of water. Okay, if suppose one day if we do not drink much water, then we become dehydrated. We feel very fatty. So that is happen just because of less water. Okay, so mostly like carbohydrates and protein. These are known as energy giving foods. Energy giving foods. Because if we eat carbohydrate, then we get instant energy. We get instant energy from carbohydrate. Instant energy. Okay. And fat is also, sorry, I should write here fats and I mistakenly written protein. Okay, so fat, carbohydrate and fats are the energy giving foods. And proteins is known as bodybuilding what is it? Yes, bodybuilding nutrients. We can write bodybuilding nutrients is protein. Okay, because our growth, repair, all this occurs due to the protein. Our development just because of protein. All things are happening just because of protein. Protein has a major role. Okay, so I am going to erase all these things. Then next go to the next topic. What are the next topics are there? Let's see. I have written all the things in my note. So what do various nutrients do do in our body? Okay, let's discuss. So point wise we will discuss all these things. So carbohydrates first. Carbohydrates provides energy. As well as you can write as well as fats. Okay, carbohydrates and fats provides energy. Then and proteins needed for the growth and development, growth and repair of our body. Okay, carbohydrate, protein, and you should write foods containing protein called as bodybuilding food. Foods. Okay, I already tell you about this bodybuilding foods. Then next thing is vitamins. What do vitamins do in our body? Vitamins play an important role. Why? What? Vitamins helps in protecting our body from diseases. We get protect from diseases, from different diseases, and also helps in keeping our eye, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Okay. These are the main points. What are the role of the various nutrients in our body? Okay. So I have to erase all these things. Okay. You just write this. Then what will we study? This topic is there, like kinds of vitamins. What are the different kinds of vitamins? Okay. Different kinds of vitamins. First one is vitamin A. Okay. Then vitamin D. One is vitamin C. Fourth one is vitamin D. Vitamin E. And the last one is vitamin K. Okay. So all the vitamins play an important role in our body. All the vitamins are required in a right amount, in small quantities you can say, but all the vitamins are required. So you should write all vitamins are required. Required and right amount. Okay, required and right amount. And if all the vitamins are not present in our body, if this continues for a long time, then we will suffer from diseases, some deficiency diseases. Okay, so is one of is one of vitamin is essential. Vitamin is essential. Is essential. Okay. Essential for what? Essential for proper growth and development of our body. So vitamin A. Okay. The vitamins, if there is deficiency of vitamin A, then what will occur? Like we'll discuss about this one by one, okay, specifically, but I will tell you, like if there is deficiency of vitamin A, then we will suffer from night blindness, loss of vision, maybe sometimes it's completely lost. Then vitamin B, this is the complex of vitamin like B1, B2, B3, okay, B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6, like there are all those things are there, like B3, B5, B6, B7, B6 pyridoxine, B7 and B9. Okay, B7 maybe folic something, I don't remember it correctly. And vitamin C, if there is deficiency of vitamin C, then there is the disease scurvy. You have to suffer from scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets. Vitamin E, vitamin K, infertility. Vitamin K is there. And okay, we'll discuss it later one by one. But beside this nutrient, okay, you should write the deficiency diseases, like deficient vitamin with disease, deficiency disease. What are the deficiency diseases that occur due to the these vitamins? So vitamin A leads to night blindness. If there is vitamin A is not there in our food, and if it continues for a long time, then the person will suffer from night blindness. Night blindness. Vitamin D, very, and C, scurvy, D, rickets, and E, I think these two things are not present in our syllabus, so leave this two vitamins. Next, okay, besides these vitamins, these nutrients, okay, besides these nutrients, we need some other essential things like vitamins. some our body needs. We need dietary fiber and water. Okay, this is also important. And dietary fibers. Then we should write dietary fibers are also known as raw fish. And like raw fish mostly provided by plant products in our food. Like what do you get from this raw fish? From which food? Okay, so let's try it. Whole grams and processed vegetables, potatoes, fresh fruits, okay. Then fresh fruits and I've written vegetables and these organic pulses, vegetables, potato, fresh fruits. We get dietary fibers. Okay. Whole grains, potatoes, vegetables, peppers. Supply dietary fibers in our food. Okay. Actually, you should know that raw fish doesn't supply any nutrient to our food. But it is necessary in our food. It should be present. But it is necessary. As it adds bulk to our body. Okay. So these are the things that we should know. Okay. I'm going to use all this. And raw fish also you should write. Raw fish also helps in undigested food. Helps in to get rid of undigested food. Okay. Need of water. What water do in our body? So water, mostly water helps our body to absorb nutrients. Absorb nutrients from the food that we are eating. From the food that we are eating. And is there any other rule of water? Yes, there is another rule, that is, it is also helps in. It also helps in throwing out of waste. Throwing out of waste. Throwing out of waste from our body. From our body in the form of sweats, and urine. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. I think you should like I hope you should like the video. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.